Welcome to Bird Hop in America, featuring Michael J.
Oh yes, here are the wild sparrow, which, yeah, I guess they fly off the branch. Ah, there's one up top, there's a female. That's a male. I have to do my research thoroughly.
What can you tell us about the sparrow of the city of Silverwood?
The sparrow, the wild sparrow is an urban bird, and it has sexual dimorphism to where the females have like a mask. So, oh crap, it's still running, right?
How does that, what does that, what does that have to do with the birds?
Oh, look at the black and white woodpecker. Look at the black and white woodpecker. Yes, now this is something that we've got to capture.
Ooh, it like attacked the other one.
Oh yes, you got that on footage, right?
It did. Black and white woodpecker shows up out of nowhere,
right?
Saving the fucking entire entity of the video.
I discovered it.
Chip has made a discovery.
With my Chiappini diamond.
Seriously, he's like Charles Darwin.
Right?
Michael Chiappini, Charles Darwin. And he's off. Can you tell us about that experience, Chip?
Why yes, to see this new age bird in all of its glory and respect. Let's see. It flew away with the two sparrows, so that's new age behavior.
It attacked them.
It attacked them, so therefore it rivals for food, for scavenging.
What kind of food would be up in this tree? Bees?
Kind of food, what I would say is maybe they're looking for termites within the wood. And maybe some, like, you know, sometimes like worms and shit, like, you know, like to congregate underneath bark.
That was something.
Right,
next
my
time.
brotherly cuz. Till next time. Bird Hop in America with Michael J.